I'm Suzanne Parker. I'm based here at UQCCR and I'm an NHMRC Early Career Fellow within the Antimicrobial Optimisation Group. And I'm chairing the Therapeutic Drug Monitoring Concept session that we've got commencing now. And so from this morning, we ran through at a high level some of the PK and PD aspects of antimicrobial dosing and the data that has led us to understand how the exposures are driven by outcomes. And now what we're going to be looking at is the TDM concepts and how these provide a robust and meaningful approach to achieve these outcome results. So we've got a few sessions. Most of these are in Zoom, from Zoom today. But I'm just going to start with Darren Roberts. So Darren Roberts is a fellow of the Royal Australasian College of Physicians with subspecialisation in clinical pharmacology and nephrology. And he's an associate professor in academic pharmacology at ANU and is a consultant physician in clinical pharmacology and toxicology in Sydney and honorary associate professor at the School of Medicine at the University of Sydney. His research interests include pharmacokinetics and drug dosing in impaired renal function and the influence of dialysis on clearance and evidence-based medicine and guideline development.